I've been here 20 years. I've been doing wildlife disease work for about 25 years, but ever since I started here 20 years ago, we've been involved in the California Condor Recovery Program. In general, California condors are a very hardy species. They don't suffer a lot of problems with infectious diseases. They seem to be pretty resilient, large, hardy birds. The vast majority of problems that condors have in the wild are what we would call anthropogenic causes of mortality, things related to human activities. At this point, lead is by far the most important problem facing the wild condor population from our perspective. It's the most important preventable cause of mortality that we're seeing. So this is a post-mortem radiograph or X-ray image taken of an adult condor. And if you look carefully, you can see two small white spots. Those are metallic densities. You can see the outline of the gizzard right here, and there's at least 3, possibly 4 pieces of lead shot in the upper gastrointestinal tract, where we know the lead is absorbed, and when it gets into their system, that's when they suffer lead toxicosis. The way they're probably picking it up from the carcasses is either a hunter shot carcass that's not recovered, so it's still out there, or what are called gut piles, where a hunter recovers the carcass, they collect what they want, and they leave the remains behind, and those remains that have been left behind might still contain lead fragments. The condors or other birds come along to feed on those remains, and they can pick up lead from that.
These are the first vertebrae right here that connects to the skull.
And he was shot just below the ear.
Yeah, so that's going to be right about here. You can see it fragmented this second vertebrae there. All of this is part of the ammunition.
Wow.
And you can see the ammo is clear back in the shoulder. That's in the shoulder. That's right here. So we know we at least have ammo disseminated through that area.
It's important to consider all possible sources of lead, because if we want to mitigate those causes of lead, we need to identify all the possible causes of lead toxicosis. So we've been looking hard. At this point, the only sources of lead we've been able to implicate are lead ammunition.